Ninyo.
I know it's still early to make dinner. It's still not even lunchtime. But I need to make the dough because we're going to eat dinner roll for our dinner today and fish salad. And I'm thinking I'm also going to make corn bake. So I need to do that dinner roll, I think, now so that the dough will rise to double the size. It takes time to do it, so let's do it. And also wait, and also I'm going to use the recipe. I will show you this side. That is the recipe that I'm going to use for dinner roll today, so let's start it. First, I'm going to put warm milk, 1.5 cup, to activate the dry yeast. 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, 1/3 cup sugar. Mix it well. Four cups of flour. I just need to see how it's going to the consistency is, so I will leave some of the flour set aside and I will mix these things first. Butter 4 tablespoons. She says in the video when the dough, how to check the dough is ready, then you touch with your dry fingers. If it is not sticky, then the dough is ready. So let's see. So when she say 4 cups, that is the leftover of the last cup that I set aside. So it's not needed to put it more. So it is, can say, less than 4 cups of flour. So the dough is ready. I will put this one in a warmer place. You can put it in the microwave method that she says, or oven method, but what I will do is I will leave it here and then I will put it in a plastic bag, then I tie it, then I will put it in a warmer place to have the double the size dough. Okay, are you ready? Let me show you. It is increasing double in size. Yeah, it is working. Let's see. Sure, it is so soft. So I need to put this one on surface. So I will test it with flour. Then I put the dough. I will lightly coat it with flour. And then I will divide into 3 pieces. That big dough I divide into 3 pieces, and then 1 pieces I divide 5 again, because my pan, the pan that I have, this one I'm going to put it 5 in each row for 3 rows. I will show you. Now I will coat with butter. So now I am making the dough smooth. She's also say this is how she make it. to make the dough smooth. So I've got one, then I will put it in here. Another one. This dough is a little bit big. 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I will continue another 2 rows, okay? Oh, okay, I'm done. So I will also put this one in a bag again to have a bigger size. I mean, to rise up a little bit. Okay. So I put it again. Then I will put it in a warmer place to see how much it will increase. As you can see here, it has risen up. So I preheated the oven 190 degrees Celsius. So I will put it in the oven. Let's have a taste test. Hey, good job on me. Ninyo. TV. Kau ni apa?